Hello, this is Chris, back again with another video. Welcome to Handy Tech. Now, you wouldn't think this would be technical, but installing a bidet is. So, I'm in Italy. Yes, they do have bidets here, but it's very old school, and I'm tired of using my hand, in the nether region. And I want to go handless. There's a way to do it. You can imagine it. So I ordered one, and a lot of the toilets here are very old, and sometimes they're trying to be modern and whatever, but then it's really difficult to find the right toilet seat. Even the plumber that installed the toilet seat couldn't find the right one, because this toilet is, I don't want to say 100 years old, but it's around there, okay? And he couldn't find the right toilet lid, so can't blame me on that. But it works, and you don't have to twist and shout, okay? Because a lot of the other ones, a lot of the universal ones, you got to twist and shout because they're plastic or whatever, and then a part breaks, and then it sucks. So anyway, I'm going to install this, hopefully not breaking the toilet seat that the plumber put in, and hopefully I have the chain long enough, and hopefully there's not like some sort of metric, whatever type of shit. This said universal. I think this says, no, it's not on here, but maybe it's on the box. Let's get this done. Cross the fingers.
Well, shake it up, baby, now. Shake it up, baby. Twist and shout. Twist and shout.
Here are the essentials. Knee pads. The actual bidet. I hope this will fit on the grooves. And a little monkey wrench here, crescent wrench. So hopefully this all works out. And this is what this one looks like. I have a couple different versions, but hopefully this works. Here's a few buttons. Here we go. So, like I said, it's a little bit crooked, but it works. I'm going to connect it to the bidet tube over there. I've already shut it off right there, and hopefully the chain's long enough to fit over here, okay, because it's gonna fit, underneath, obviously, but like that, and then the thing's right there. So hopefully it all works out. Okay, it's a little stretched out, right? It's a little kinked right there, but that's just the hot water going there. But now the hot water goes right to this bidet, so it's nice and comfortable. I'm not going to demonstrate it, but I'm just going to let you know that it works. Yeah, baby. Happy birthday to me. Okay, so we're all done here. Now, again, we do have bidets in America. I had to bring this one over from America over to here. And I'm just tired of the old bidet method, because if you've seen the movie Mallrats.
Alright, so you can't scream at him, but after all he's done to you, you should still kind of stick it to him.
How do you propose I do that?
You stink palm him.
It's a stink palm.
You take your hand, you stick it in your ass like this. You've been walking all day and you're also nervous, so no doubt you'll be sweaty as hell.
You should see yourself right now, a grown man with his hand down his pants.
Yeah, I probably look like my old man. There, now you shake hands with the guy. Hey, Mr. Svenning, how have you been?
What's the point?
You know how long it takes for that smell to come off? Scrub all you like, it'll stick around for at least 2 days.
You know what I'm talking about, so check it out. It's a lot of laughs. I'll see you in the next one.